you guys. Oop. Time for another installment of shopping steals. Shopping steals on Saturday and Sunday. Sunday shopping steals and steals. Secondhand, sustainable steal of a deal. Shopping Sundays, Saturdays. I'm gonna try to do this every week. I'm gonna literally try to do these every week. But we just have to keep buying every week. I'm gonna try to do them as many as I can. Okay, anyway, so here's one. It just came in from the RealReal. Steal of a deal from the RealReal. It's from the row. It's a sweater. I'm very excited because it's way under retail. So let's check it out. Let's talk about it. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick unboxing from the RealReal, the row at the RealReal, the row by the RealReal, the RealReal by the row, the RealReal by the row. Oh, yo, bro, whoa, no, for show, come on, bro, oh. Okay, whatever. Anyway, let's go through it. Okay, so first I'm gonna unbox. So if that's if you're interested, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it there, and then we'll talk about it here. Okay. Okay, I changed outfits because I had to get ready and stuff like that. But this is what I got. The row! Yo! Another installment Saturday night, Sunday savings. Like I said, I love to buy these kind of things because saving and repurposing that money to other things. Also, just like there's no, I don't know, sometimes like paying full price for clothes just seems a little crazy, right? Although paying full price for bags also seems a little crazy. But I can't get myself to get used bags. I don't like to wear. Okay, it is from the row. It was $222 instead of $2,000 whatever. So it's basically $2,000 for free because that's full on savings. It's a cashmere sweater. It's got a little wear on the back, but like just like, you know, like little fuzz balls and stuff. It's really soft. It's really nice. The only thing is it's really tight. I think this might be too, I gotta check the size again. I don't remember what the size was, but I thought this was gonna fit me. Okay, the size says medium online. This does not feel like a medium, but there is an M right here, which is crazy. I don't know. If this is a medium, I can't imagine what an extra small or small is, but this does not feel like a medium. So I am going to try to see what I can do about this. Okay. Anyway, what do you guys think? It's very tight right now. So either I'm going to keep this and it's going to be goal clothes for my goal era, or I'm going to not keep this and return it. What do you guys think? I'm not going to try it on because it's really tight. I need to lose a good 20 pounds for this one. Okay. What do we think? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated to share with your exes, I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Bye.